Hi friends, today in this video let us discuss common English words with silent letters. Common English words with silent letters. For example, here in the first word, debt. So the B is silent here. D-E-B-T. The B is silent here. Next, subtle. So S-U-B-T-L-E, subtle. So in this word, the B letter is silent. Next, doubt. D-O-U-B-T. Doubt. Here, the letter B is silent. Next, night. K-N-I-G-H-T. Night. The letter K is silent. Next, honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. So the silent letter is H here. Hour. Again, the silent letter is H. H-O-U-R. Next, coming to here, knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E. Knowledge. So here in this word, the letter K is silent. Psychology. Here, the letter P is silent. P-S-Y-C-H-O-L-O-G-Y. Next, listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Here, listen. The letter T is silent. Castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Here, the letter T is silent. Muzzle. M-U-S-C-L-E. Muzzle. C is silent letter. Next, Wednesday. Here, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. So here, the letter D is silent. Next, resign. R-E-S-I-G-N. So here, the letter G is silent. Foreign. F-O-R-E-I-G-N. Here, the letter G is silent. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Here, the letter L. L is silent. Folk. F-O-L-K. Folk. Here, the letter L is silent. Next, kneel. K-N-E-E-L. Kneel. The letter K is silent. Okay. These are some common English words with silent letters. Okay. Right. Thank you.